In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart colors in MetaTrader 5. If you want your charts to be easier to read, better organized, or simply more comfortable to look at during trading, customizing the color settings is a simple but very useful adjustment. MetaTrader 5 gives you a few built-in color schemes, and it also lets you fine-tune individual chart colors to match your preferences. To get started, open the MetaTrader 5 platform and make sure you have a chart visible on your screen. This can be any active chart since the color settings are adjusted directly from the chart itself. Next, right-click anywhere on the open chart and select Properties from the menu that appears. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the F8 key to open the same settings window. This is the main area where you control how the chart looks. Once the Properties window opens, click on the Colors tab. This section contains all the visual settings related to your chart appearance, including the background, foreground, candle colors, and other display elements. If your goal is to make the chart clearer or align it with your trading style, this is where all of those changes happen. At the top of this section, you'll see a scheme drop-down menu. This is the fastest way to change the overall look of the chart. You can choose from built-in options such as black on white, color on white, or yellow on black. These presets are helpful if you want a quick visual update without adjusting every setting manually. You can click through them and immediately decide which one feels best for your workspace. If you want more control, you can manually change specific colors one by one. Simply click the color box next to the chart element you want to edit, then choose a new color from the palette. This allows you to personalize details such as the chart background, text, grid, and price bars or candles. A good tip here is to choose colors with strong contrast so the chart remains easy to read, especially during longer trading sessions. Once you're happy with the new look, save your style so you don't have to repeat the process every time. Right-click the chart again, hover over template, and then click Save Template. Save it as the default template so that all future charts automatically open using your custom colors. That's it. You've successfully changed your chart colors in MetaTrader 5 and saved your setup for future use.